Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2022 not showing. So let's jump right into the video. When I first opened Spotify, it didn't work for me as well, and I actually found some pretty easy ways to fix this problem. So let me show you what you have to do. The first one is you have to go to settings, and here go to general and iPhone storage, and here look for Spotify and then click on tab on offload app, and then what you have to do is to go back to App Store or open App Store, and here please search Spotify. And here what you have to do is just to update Spotify. That's kind of like, because I've had that problem before, and I just head over to to App Store, and then I just updated Spotify. So that's what you have to do to fix this problem. I know it's very annoying because you're trying to see the Spotify Wrapped 2022. But I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.